You should be checking out the WeatherTech Underseat Gear Storage System if you're like me and every frustrated Super Crew owner out there and are tired of things rolling around or sliding around the back of your cab. Now, this made in the USA storage system will make use of the dead space underneath the rear seats, going to install very easily and cost you right around $200. But diving right into the WeatherTech, guys, you're gonna find a very durable, impact-resistant thermoplastic material in black for the overall build, and then finished off in a kind of rubberized, textured coating. Now, I really like this coating for a couple of different reasons. First up, the rubberized stuff is not only going to help prevent the box itself from sliding around or shifting around, along with the included safety strap, but it's also going to help prevent the stuff that you have inside the storage container here or storage system from kind of rolling around or shifting around on you when, you know, maybe you're taking turns a little quick, out doing some hooning off-road, whatever the case. The rubberized stuff, depending on what you throw in here, of course, will help prevent some of that shifting around. Now, as you guys can see, the box itself does feature 4 individual storage compartments thanks to these raised dividers here, and this is gonna further help keep things in place and prevent any of that sliding around we were just talking about. Now, as far as what you could use this thing for, well, sky's really the limit, right? We're talking cleaning supplies, maybe off-road recovery gear, tools, gloves, you name it, you can throw it in here and have access to it easily at all times thanks to the design. But one of my favorite parts about this product in particular is the fact that with those rear seats folded down, the WeatherTech storage system is essentially undetectable, while at the same time leaving full legroom for the rear seat passengers and their feet. Finally, guys, the storage box, like a majority of other WeatherTech products here on the site, is going to be backed by their industry-leading limited lifetime warranty in case you should run into any issues here. Now, another benefit with the WeatherTech is the ease of install, right? We're talking extremely straightforward stuff here, super soft 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, maybe 10 minutes of your time to get everything in place. But to give you a better idea of how exactly things will go down on your truck at home, here's a detailed walkthrough from an AT customer now.
First thing you need to know is there aren't any tools that are required for this system besides the things that the good Lord gave you, your right hand and your left hand. Those both came stock. The only piece that you have to add to the system that comes with it in the box is this strap that keeps it from sliding around after the system is installed. And so one of the things that I know is that the openings in the back that you secure the strap through aren't very large. And so I'm going to take the buckle off of the strap before I put it in. Just makes it easier to get it in. And then you can see here, the strap goes through these 2 notches on the back. And I'm going to go ahead and reinstall the buckle that came on it. And we're going to put it back in the truck. All right, so we got that installed. We're gonna go ahead and set this in the truck, and I'll show you how to secure the storage device to keep it from sliding around. All right, so we've got the strap installed on the storage system. I'm just gonna run the strap through the brackets, the seat bracket. And this will just help to ensure that the storage system doesn't slide around. Got it all in, we're gonna snug it up. Pull it tight, like that. And we'll call it good.
So if you are looking to go with one of the most trusted names in interior accessories to help keep your truck a little cleaner overall, then you might want to consider the underseat storage from WeatherTech right here at AmericanTrucks.com.